This is video 108 in my numbered series, and it is the last which I will temporarily upload to YouTube. Now, this has never been a popular channel, that's never been the aim. This is here for the future memories, Louis and Sophia, for you after I kick the bucket. And it's trying to remind you and tell you about events that were in our lives and around the world, and the things that happen to us to help you make decisions in the future, and just generally putting down something which is a little bit more juicy, a bit more permanent than a photograph. However, even though I have never wanted this channel to be monetized, I never wanted to have adverts within it, which would just be disrupting, YouTube sent me this email. Basically what it says is that even though I won't make any money from my channel, which is fine with me, they reserve the right to make money from my channel. And I think that that is unethical. Quite simply, I am unwilling to spend my time being creative and yet being denied the chance to even make 1 penny from this channel, while some people somewhere decide to throw massive great adverts at the beginning of my uploads in order to make them lots of cash. I'm simply not having it. And so, although I'll be re-uploading all of this lot to Odyssey, you will not be seeing me again on YouTube. It's very sad, but I've come here with my family for a little late afternoon barbecue to this beautiful location here in southern Japan. It's kind of one of the tips of the mainland here, on the west part of the peninsulas here at the bottom of Japan. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's a fitting location, I think, to say farewell to YouTube. Having already closed my Facebook account, Instagram went a long time ago, and I've never been involved with Twitter. I think the general standard of social media now is so unhealthy that I want no more part of it. Now, Odyssey is actually part of the blockchain, which basically means that it is undeletable. And that was the actual aim of my channel. I want this to be a permanent record for you, Louis and Sophia. And if YouTube can decide to just delete the whole lot 10 years after I kick the bucket, well, what's the point in that? No, thank you. That's doing me no good at all. And yet you, YouTube, could be making money off of my efforts and my development as a very amateur videographer. So hopefully, if you care to follow me, if you care to have a look on the links down here for Odyssey, hopefully these will be here forever. Certainly while there's computer technology available. And there's actually a hairy mosquito right in front of me right now, and there's quite a few buzzing around. So for the last time on YouTube, I will say bye-bye for now. It's a sad farewell, but anybody else out there who is using this platform, I recommend you think about it too. Don't let somebody else make a load of money, even just a little bit of money, from your efforts without giving you anything in return. Oh, and enjoy some of the scenery that I shot. Beautiful here.